In the video for today, I'm going to speak to you about two simple and easy methods through which you could appeal to YouTube to get back your deleted videos or shorts. The videos could be deleted by you or by YouTube, whatever may be the reason. These two methods could actually help you out. So if you are a person who has been uploading videos or reels on your YouTube account, it is basically because of two reasons. Either you are a creator, you have a channel and you need to post on a regular basis. And number two is because of the fact that you just want to, save your old videos. Whatever may be the reason, we expect our videos to be there forever. But unfortunately, sometimes what may just happen is that a video or a reel or a couple of them may just go against any one or two of their community guidelines and it may just get removed. Or by mistake, we could delete our own videos. It has happened with me in the past. But not to worry, these are two methods that has actually helped me. The first method is super simple and easy, is to get it back through your YouTube Studio. So just log into your YouTube account, click on YouTube Studio, and then click on content, and then you get directed to this page on which you could see all your channel content, your long form videos or shorts or whatever it is. So you need to look for the video that was deleted. It is going to be mentioned out here. Say supposing this was the video, you are going to see to the right an option to request a review for that video to be reinstated. It's the same procedure for reinstating your shorts if it was deleted. So just click on the request a review button. You're going to be directed to a page on which you need to fill up a form to request a review to YouTube. Once you submit that form, normally within 24 to 48 hours, you should be getting a response from them. The second method to appeal and try and reinstate your YouTube video is even more simple and easy, but you should use the second method only if the first method is not going to work for you, or it's not working for you because you're not getting that request a review option, which is very rare. So log into your YouTube account or get back to YouTube, your homepage, and then you need to scroll down to the left out here and then click on contact us. Here you scroll down, you get an email address out here, support-in@google.com. You just send an email to this email address and you request YouTube or Google to help you with your video or reel that was deleted. You just need to ensure that you have specific details about that video, like the video URL or the title and stuff like that. So to get the video URL, it's very simple and easy. You could just get back to YouTube Studio and try and get the URL from there. Or what you could do is watch this video of mine to understand how you could get the URL for the video that you're trying to reinstate. So after you appeal, if YouTube decides to reinstate your video or videos that was deleted by them or you are going to get back all your engagement, like likes and comments and everything else. However it was before, you're going to get it back the same. And do let me know in the comment section below if any one of these methods worked for you or no. If it didn't, do send me an email so that I could look for more ways to try and help you get back your YouTube videos if it was not deleted for the wrong reasons. Take care, my friend.